Your dog's coat can tell you so much about their inner health as well as their mental health, can't it, Nicole?
Absolutely, that's really true. I think a lot of pet owners don't realise just how much the coat health can reflect their overall health. So it's really important that we provide enough moisture in the diet and a good quality diet so they can have their optimal health as well.
So if they do have dry, flaky skin, what is that kind of telling us, and you know, what should we be looking out for?
Again, something really common in pets, so I would see it definitely every day in practice.
Yeah.
The most common cause would have to be the quality and quantity of oil in their diet.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
I'd see it more commonly in kibble-fed dogs.
Yes.
And they have that skin where you look across their skin and it just gets that little white, flaky scurfy. A simple, tin of sardines in spring water can do wonders for them.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, what about that smelly dog smell skin? They're not actually meant to smell, are they?
No, it's often a reflection that the skin is irritated or inflamed and it's got an overgrowth of one of the bugs in the skin, so usually yeast. So definitely shouldn't be shaking their head and definitely shouldn't be itching or licking a lot. It can be a sign of allergies.
Yes.
Flea allergy, inhaled pollen allergies, food allergies, and also really commonly in pets, especially in the last couple of years, stress or anxiety.
Yeah. So what should a healthy dog coat look like?
Very good question. So we've got pickle and pudding here,
We
and I
do.
think they're two really good examples of what different coat types, because dogs have lots of different coat types, don't they? So
They
you
do.
can't sort of look at one coat and know exactly what a healthy coat looks like. So you've got beautiful pudding. So she's a smooth coated griffon. So the smooth coats will always have we always expect a bit of a glossier coat.
Yes,
to
it's
them.
very
So
glossy.
you see she's got a bit of a shine to her coat. And there's no sort of white specks or flakiness as you rub the coat the opposite way.
Perfect.
So that's really classic. She's fresh food fed. It's beautiful pudding. And then on the other hand, Pickle is a rough coated griffon. So you won't get the same gloss,
No.
even though it's just as healthy. But again, when you rub the coat the opposite way, you'll still expect that nice, clean looking skin, not
Yes.
too red, really light pink for a lot
Yes.
of dogs, not too red though, and none of that dry, sort of irritated or, scabby sort of skin.
No, and this is still really soft as well for,
is.
for rough coats. So what are some of your other tips for people at home to help take really good care of their dog's coat?
So I think for the one thing is just to assess the diet,
Yes.
for sure. So just make sure the diet's ideally as fresh as it can be. A good probiotic is fantastic.
Yep.
A good omega supplement if
Yes.
they've got any issues, and then a good, fresh, unprocessed diet, ideally.
Lovely. Oh, well done. Well, thank you for modelling, you gorgeous little two. If you'd like to find out more about the Big Dog Pet Foods Raw Food Diet, visit their website. Thank you, Nicole, and
Pleasure.
thank you, Pickles. Thank you, Pudding. If you don't mind, can I take you home? Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Yes.